A strange football is moving. Dad, look, a penguin!
Oh my God, it's a penguin! He must be lost after the storm.
Oh, the poor thing.
It's okay, little guy. I've got you.
He's trembling. He must be exhausted and scared after the big storm. Let's get him to a safe place.
You're right. Let's go.
I'll help.
What a perfect day for a walk.
Yeah, and the penguin is so cute.
He sure is. Ready to go home?
We're home. I want to hug the penguin.
Go on, sweetie.
Dad, look. Peep is shaking. Is he cold? Should I give him my sweater?
Actually, Panda, penguins have a thick layer of fat and feathers to stay warm in the ice. He's not cold.
Oh, cool. So he's always warm? That's right, sweetie. Then why is he trembling, Dad? Mom, Dad, listen. He keeps saying peep peep. Can I call him Peep? Is the penguin okay, Dad?
He's just exhausted after the big storm and a bit scared because he's far from home. He needs peace and rest, not a blanket.
Okay, Dad. Oh, I see. I will be very quiet so Peep can feel safe. He keeps saying peep, peep, peep. Can I call him Peep?
Of course you can, sweetie.
That's a perfect name.
That's a lovely name, Panda. It sounds just like his voice.
Yeah, Panda. Come here, Pip. From now on, you are a member of our family. Look, he likes it. He knows his name already. Peep, 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 peep. Oh, Pip, be careful. The floor is not ice, it's wood. Look, yummy fish for my gentleman in a tuxedo. Open wide. Open wide. Dad!
Hey, little buddy. That's our fridge, not your private hotel.
Panda, look at him. Peep is like a pole flower trying to grow in the desert.
But I love him, Mom. I don't want him to leave.
Loving someone means putting their needs above our own. He needs the ocean.
Okay. I understand. I want Peep to be a happy penguin, not a lonely pet. Mom, Dad, is Pip okay?
He's fine, buddy. He just needs a little extra care.
Let's give him a big hug.
Yay! A family hug!
To the animal museum? To the museum.
Here is his favorite toy. Please tell him that I will look at the stars and think of him. I certainly will. That's very sweet of you.
His scarf is his favorite toy. I'll make sure he knows.
Goodbye, my tuxedo friend. Go find your family. Don't trip on the ice, okay?
Waddle, waddle, flap, flap. Thank you, Flap. Goodbye.
Breaking news. Peep, the little penguin swept away by the blizzard, has been found. A kind family rescued him and safely returned him to the Animal Protection Center. He is now healthy and ready to go home.
Look, Dad! He's flying under the water! He's finally home!
Love is not about keeping. Love is about setting free.
We love you so much, sweetie.